This is JR from our Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 6193. It is in used condition. The mileage is 65,213. The chassis is a 2006 Ford F450 with 169-inch wheelbase. It is 4-wheel drive. It has a 6.0 liter diesel engine. It has been rebuilt and bulletproofed. The overall length is 23 feet 2 inches. Overall height is 106 1/2 inch. Headroom is 69 inches. It is a Braun module and ambulance conversion. It has wheel-in siren and wheel-in speakers. It has wheel-in lights. It has an inverter, which is a vanner, combination inverter and charger. It has a hose line, heat, ventilation, and air conditioning system in it. It is a used 2006 Ford F450, 169-inch wheelbase. Has a 6.0 liter diesel engine, which has been rebuilt and bulletproofed. The exterior configuration is left front oxygen. It has a universal bracket. Left forward compartment houses the inverter and charger. Also has an adjustable shelf. The left rear compartment has one shelf, an inside-outside access in the upper portion. Another shelf could be fitted if desired. It has a deep step. The load height is 36 inches without dumping the airbags. The dump on the airbags dumps approximately 10 more inches. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage below, behind, and above. Has fluorescent and also circular halogen incandescent lighting. The headroom inside is 69 inches. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It has a VMUX multiplexing control head and system. One head at the action area and one in the cab. It is a Type 1 pass-through configuration with about a 36-inch high pass-through. It has a locking drug cabinet at the bulkhead. Inside-outside access for the advanced life support cabinet. It has sharps and infectious waste containers, storage above the squad bench, additional lighting, also storage below the squad bench. Right rear compartment is for backboard storage. Other longboards. Right front compartment is for inside-outside access. Has a battery compartment which houses a third battery and could actually accommodate 4. There's 2 under hood and 1 in the battery compartment. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 6193, please call 1-833-REMOUNT or visit our website at www.ourenterprisesllc.com. Thank you.